Hey guys, in the previous video we were discussing about how to create the database file. So this is a procedure how to write the create the database file, and I was discussing if the table name tracks is not existing in the database music.xql, then it will be created. Okay, so the reason this is called connection, that is sometimes the database is stored on the separate database servers from which the server on running or application. That is the reason why why the table will be created if doesn't exist. Okay. So when we consider simple example, the database will just be a local file in the same directory as the Python what we are running. Okay. Now, so we have a cursor is a file handle. You can see your cursor. It is called as a file handle. Okay, that we can use to perform the operations on the data stored in the database. Okay, where it will perform some operations that is stored in the database. Now when you call this cursor, it is similar concept to calling the open when dealing with the text file. We have already discussed what is the use of this open. It is the same way the cursors also do the same job. Okay, once we have the cursor, we can begin to execute the commands on the contents of the database using the execute. When you want to execute, and obviously we have to use this execute commands. Okay, so this is the database cursor, how it looks like. Okay, so we have execute, fetch one, fetch all, and then close users, members, and the courses. Okay, tables. Okay, so that will be called, whatever the information is there, that will be called by the cursor, and it executes, or whatever the operations it do, it does. Okay, that is the job of the cursor. Now we have a database commands that are expressed in a special language that has been standardized across many different database vendors to allow us to learn a single database language. Okay, so this database language is called as the structured query language, that is in short we can say SQL or SQL. Okay, so in our example we are executing two SQL commands in our database. As a convention, we will see SQL keywords in uppercase, and the parts of the command that we are adding such as table comments will be, you can see here, SQL table will be executed in the uppercase letter, and the parts of this particular table is executed in the written in the lowercase letter. Okay, so that is how we can create the table. So what a first SQL command is doing, it removes the tracks table from the database if exist. Okay, this pattern is simply allow us to run the same program to create the tracks of table over and over again without causing an error. Note, if the drop table command deletes the table and all of its content from the database. Okay, so that is here we can write cursor dot execute drop table if exist tracks. Okay, so what does it do? It deletes the table and all of its content from the database. So drop command is drop. Okay, whenever you use the drop table, it deletes. Okay, so that is the use of the dropping table. Now when we have a second command, how you can create the table. Okay, the second command, so you can see here the second command, what it is doing, it will create the table. Okay, that means it will delete the old table and then create with the new table. You can see here the second command, it creates the table name tracks with the text column named with the title and integer column named place. Okay, so this is how you can write create is for creating the table with tracks the title and then place. Okay, now we have created a table name tracks. We can put the some data into the table using SQL insert operation. Okay, so when we begin by making a connection to the database and obtaining the cursor, we can execute the SQL commands using the cursor. Okay, so this SQL insert command indicates which table we are using and then defines new row by listing the fields we want to include, that is title and place. Okay, title and then place followed by the values. Okay, that includes the title and place, and followed by its corresponding values type is mentioned here. It should be in the text format and this should be in the integer format. We specify the values as the question mark to indicate the actual values are passed in the tuple. Okay, so we write my way is the value for title and 15 as the value for the integer as the second parameter to the execute. How we can do that? You can see here you are writing insert into tracks title comma place comma values question mark means that indicates you are inserting the values. Okay, so my value for title is standard stock and value for play is 20. In the similar way you can insert the another data my way and then 15. Okay, now you can execute. What does this delete to? Delete from track where place is less than 100. Whenever you have information which is place is less than 100, that information will be deleted and it will execute this particle. Whatever the rows is there, that is executing. You can see a thunder stack and the way this is less than 100, so it is going to give you the play values less than 100. 20 and 15 is less than 100, so it is giving that particular values. The similar way, when we first insert the two rows into a table, use commit to force the data to be written into the database table. We are writing a commit to force the database to return the values into that particular database table. Okay, so that is how we can do it. Then we can use the select command to retrieve the rows we just inserted from the table. Okay, why we are selecting here? Once after inserting the data into this database, we use the select command to select the data from the particular tracks table. Okay, now for row in the cursor, print of row. Okay, that particular, it will go to that particular cursor and then it prints that particular row, and then how many rows we have? 2 rows. Okay, all the 2 rows will be printed. Okay, now if you have any extra information, that is extra data where the value of the place is less than 100, okay, then it deletes that particular information. Okay, so that is what it is specified here. So our output should be thunderstock 20 and my way of 15. Okay, so what is delete is doing? At the very end, you execute the delete command to delete the rows we have just created, so we can run the program over and over. Okay, instead of creating the duplicate multiple times, it deletes after executing. Okay, so that is the procedure. So the next topic is structured query language summary, what we have discussed here. So we have used, so far we have used the structured query language in our Python examples, and I have covered many of the basics of SQL commands. In this section, we will look at the SQL language in particular and give an overview of SQL syntax. Okay, since there are many different database vendors, the SQL was standardized so we could communicate in a portable manner to database systems from multiple vendors. So when you have a relational database which is made up of tables, rows and the columns, when a relational database means we have a rows, tables and the columns in that particular database. Okay, so the columns generally have a type such as text, numeric and the date data. So columns, make sure it will be having text or the numeric or the date data. When we create a table, we indicate the names and the types of the columns. Okay, so that is how in general we'll be writing create table tracks with the value attributes and its values. And then to insert a row into a table, we use the SQL insert. How we can insert into this track table, title comma place and then values, particular values. This is how we are using this is how we can be insert any values into the database using the SQL language. Okay, and we whenever we use the insert statement, it specifies the table name, then the list of the fields or the columns. Okay, select command, it lets you specify which columns you would like to retrieve as well as from where. Okay, so from where it should be done, then this is a way you have procedure you can do it. That is select star from tracks, select all from tracks. Select, that means it selects the all the rows in the tracks tables where title is equals to may, and it refers to the my way value. Okay, so using the star indicate means we want the database to return all of the columns for each row that matches the where clause. Okay, so note, in unlike the Python SQL where clause, we use the single equal sign to indicate the test for equality. We are using the single equal sign. Other logical operation allowed in a where clause includes less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, as well as and or. Okay, and parenthesis to build the logical expression. Okay, so this is a procedure where you can use the where clause. Okay, If you want to update any information, then you can use the update statements. Okay, update the value. For example,